Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cat scratching posts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Smarty Cat Scratch Scroll Cat Scratcher. After testing more than a dozen options, we, and our cats, loved this cat scratching post the most. Its structural design allows cats to climb on it, and the felines loved the included feather toy. It also doesn't require any assembly, which is a major plus. It felt sturdy, high quality, and very durable to withstand lots of scratching. It contains both sisal fabric and a carpeted surface to entice scratching. Plus, we loved the neutral color that could blend in with your home decor. Since it's super lightweight, less than 3 pounds, it can be easily transported to different areas of the home to keep cats busy. On top of that, the design features a little tunnel that allows cats to hide out, which they loved, but they also enjoyed taking a cat nap on the curved top surface as well. One drawback? As this sits on the ground, some cats who love to climb may prefer a taller scratching post. The scratching post is an excellent value, as you get a scratching post in a toy for under $30, when it's not on sale, which means it tops the list as one of our favorite pet products. Moving on at number 4, we have the PETMAKIER Cat Scratching Post. Featuring 3 scratching posts in one, this option comes with several different dangling toys for cats to play with. Ours especially took to the hanging mouse. We tested this out on a playful kitten who was completely obsessed with it and spent hours keeping busy and hunting the included toys. We also liked that when the cats got sleepy from playing, they could take a rest on the top perch or the bottom. It was also quick and easy to assemble. Since it is on the shorter side, it's possible that larger or more destructive cats will knock it over. However, we found that it was overall very sturdy. Its lightweight structure makes it easy to move around to different rooms as needed, although it would have been nice to have a few more color options to choose from. At number 3, we have the Pomona 3-story cat tree condo barrel tower. There are several first. There is no assembly required, which is always appreciated in a cat condo. On top of that, it is aesthetically pleasing and won't sacrifice your home decor for typically less than stylish cat accessories. Despite having a more minimalistic barrel design, the Cat Condo also boasts lots of play opportunities with 3 windows, 2 dangling toys, and a podium top that allows cats to sit up high and nap or peek out the window. Plus, it's covered in a scratching material, so there's plenty of space for multiple cats to get their frustrations out. We found it to be durable and sturdy enough not to be knocked over, even with larger cats. Albeit on the more expensive side, we think this cat scratching condo is totally worth it, considering all of its design features, durability, and how chic it looks. At number 2, we have the SmartCat, the ultimate scratching post. If you want a simple and interactive cat scratching tower, consider this sleek option. After testing this post out over the course of 2 weeks, we found that it was super easy to assemble, has a durable and sturdy base despite only being 2 pounds. And is an excellent choice for those looking for something that blends into home decor better than other cat accessories. Because of the vertical design, this tall tower is also perfect for cats who like to stretch while they scratch. This post does just contain one scratching surface, which is a sisal fabric that most cats enjoy. While not every cat will take to this post, those who love to stretch and climb on towers will get lots of use out of it. And finally at number 1, we have the 7 Ruby Road mounted cat scratching post. If your cat loves to scratch up high, but you don't have the space for a standalone cat scratching tower, this wall-mounted option is a fantastic alternative. This simple scratcher is aesthetically pleasing and would look nice with various home decor styles. We love how lightweight it is, yet, it's still durable enough to withstand lots of scratching. It was easy to mount to the wall using command strips if you don't want to put holes in the wall. It's also constructed from high-quality and eco-friendly wood and natural woven sisal for a safe and effective scratch. And, if you want to switch it up for your cat, you can attach the included non-slip feet to the back of the post so your kitty can play with it on the floor, too. Important to note, if your cat likes to climb or perch, this post doesn't have that option. We also found it to be a bit expensive for a relatively simple design. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.